What's going on, YouTube? I'm here with another unboxing of my Wahl Magic Clip, the Metal Edition. Alright, I'm a huge fan of the Wahl, but for a while I wasn't. I was always an Andes type of guy, but purchased the Magic Clip maybe about a year ago, and I like the Magic Clip. I like they were cut. I had to give me 2 pair. Alright, so the 2 pair that I had, with the black and the red, awesome. They're awesome. I like the way they cut, and then by me having 2 pair, I can use one and charge the other one, vice versa. So I like these. They are very, handy. The smooth cut, the fading is awesome or whatnot. But I've been having this issue, so I'm gonna send them to get repaired, cutting, and this part just pops off. So I don't know what that's about, but the crazy part is, it did it with both pair. It's like, what the heck is this? All right, so I'm gonna probably send them to get repaired because there's still some awesome clippers, and because of the way that they cut is one of the reasons why I was interested in checking out the Wahl Magic Clip. And let's see what we have here. Here we go, right here. Oh, these boys are nice. It's nice. They're real cool. They heavy too. They're a little heavier than I thought they would be. I mean, I knew they were metal, but I didn't know. Man, these got some nice weight to them. Can't really, man, these feel, and they have the little ridges back here as well. But they do have a nice little weight to them. I just purchased my fabulous red trimmers, and they're not as heavy as this. These are heavy. These are not as heavy at all. There's a big difference. Well, not a big difference, but there's a difference. Let's see what else comes with it. So you have the clipper. You have about three guards that actually come with it. They give you a 1.5, a 1, and a half guard. Get the blade protector. Use that, pop that on. In addition to some oil and a little brush that you can use. And the little comb that comes with it. And of course, the charger. Now, I want to check something out here. I want to see if this charger will work with the other Magic Clip. It fits. It fits. So I'm quite sure that they actually charge too. Let's see here. That's huge for me, because sometimes if you want to travel, you don't want to make sure you leave anything. You have a travel pair of clippers, and you have another pair. Let's see, hold on. We're back. Let's see. Yep, they charge. Oh, the light went off. So it's charging. But it's already fully charged, so that's why. That's why. But here, let's try this one. Yep, it works. But they're already charged, so that's probably why. So that's a good thing. So I'm gonna try these out. Try these out. Let's see if they're kind of hard. So they are heavy, guys. They are heavy. So I'm curious to see how long I'll be able to cut with them without it being, because a lot of my other cordless clippers, a lot of the other cordless clippers they're not as heavy as this. They're not as heavy as this, but they feel well. They feel good. I like these ridges on the back. And it states that, what is the charge time? 90-minute runtime. 90-minute. It's not too bad. It's not horrible. I know the Babulous trimmers are about 2 hours, so it's a little bit better. But awesome clipper. Like the way it looks. Like the way it feels. So I'm sure if the other Magic Clip cut fine, these are gonna be just as fine. So if you're interested, go out, get you a pair. Pay, you know, maybe about 130, 140 bucks, depending on where you go, where you get it. This is something I think would be very beneficial to have in your arsenal of tools to just be able to try. I like this metal housing. This is awesome. So there you have it, the Wahl Magic Clip Metal Edition. And they heavy as hell too. So, but I'll try to make another video to see how long I can be able to hold these in my hand for a long period of time while cutting. So, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.